Hi, everyone. It's a few minutes before 12, and I just wanted to give everyone an update on the trading and the why of it. We closed out the RTX trade. It was a fair size profit, nothing overwhelming. But we did run up into that 60 and a half area and looked like we are going to come back in. So I'm pleased to be out of it for the short term. I also think that the market is pretty much over bought here. The other thing that I traded today was the closeout of the Newmont 65.70 bull spread. We put it on at $1.30. We took it off at $3.20. The gain of $1.90 on $1.30 is pretty substantial, about 140%. And the reason was pretty simple. I had an initial objective on the gold, as you can see it on the chart. I had an initial objective of 2075 for the short term, and I think that today's high at 2081 and the fact that it's backing off a little here probably means that it's going to have somewhat of a pullback. It could easily be to this last area of breakout around 2000, and frankly, Newmont has not been acting that great. We've been in the gold with the Newmont for quite a while, and the stock just really seems to attract selling. I'm not exactly sure why, but I would have thought that the last $100 on the upside would have done more than take the stock from 67.5, 68 up to 71. So we've closed that out. I will look for another trade in the metals if we get a pullback, which I'm expecting we will. The other thing that I wanted to bring up is a stock we just bought the options for, and that is SONOS. I've been talking about it for a while in the Discord room, and they had earnings, and the stock just collapsed down here. It's true, it's had a really nice move up, but the fact is that there are two catalysts here that I think could work out well. One is a lawsuit against Google for patent infringement on their system for use in the Echo. The CEO was on today, and he was pretty positive about that. The other is that there's been a lot of talk about a takeover for Sonos, and my personal feeling, and the one that I like the best, is Apple, and it makes some sense in that it would be a very small deal for them, but it would also be an addition to their delivery system for music. They have Beats, but Beats is really, personal use headphones. They have their own iPods, AirPods. For individual listening. And I think that, with Internet of Things and home systems, Sonos would be a very interesting addition. The stock came all the way back down here into this area of support from the last move higher, and I have not a lot of problem. It's a small position, only 3 in the options account at 90 cents. So now that we're up well over 30% year to date, this is a small risk for us to be taking. All right, everyone, please remember to hit the subscribe button, and I'll be back tonight.